I've got my bag with my cameras, my keychains. I've got my monster. I've got my keys. First startup in a while. Yes, that's necessary. Forgot some stuff. Stay.
Let me introduce you to the lab. I know it's a little dark in here right now. We've got the 3D printer set it up over there. I'm trying to go off a script, but I'm not good at going off script. This is the clean room, the behind the scenes hub where all content creation and technical stuff happens for Broke Not Broken. We're starting at point zero. This 1988 Pontiac Fiero is the foundation behind Project Resurrected Heart. Right now, it's a time capsule. Stock 2.8 liter L44 V6, 80 suspension, 38 years of wear and tear. The mission here is total resurrection, swapping in a supercharged LSJ Ecotec engine to turn this into a modern precision machine. But we've got some time before the teardown. We still need to acquire a donor at car and engine. So this past weekend, I took the Fiero to a meet at an Air Force base. It didn't go exactly as planned, but in this shop, we show the reality. Let's get into it.
We are headed to an Air Force base today for a Cars and Coffee put on by one of the booster clubs. We got our keychains that we're going to try to exchange for follows on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or something. Buy something, I'll give you a thing. Don't buy anything. Just give me a follow. I need follows. Ooh, nope, we don't have 6. We don't have 6. We can't go back over there for 5. As you can see, it still runs. It still runs fairly decent. It's definitely low on power. We definitely have blow-by on the rings. We're going to run into some rain on our journey here today, but that's okay. This nice weather that's over us right now should be pushing to where we're going. At least that's how the radar looked this morning. We will see. All right, so the car currently has 148,911.8 miles, and we're gonna get passed by a Tesla because Florida Tesla is in such a big hurry to get pulled over by the cop that's inevitably sitting up here at the gas station. Also, I'm pacing the cars in front of me. I'm not gonna pass them. Not when it's wet out. Not in this. It's got the power to do it, don't get me wrong. It's light. It's just, with the wetness, it's... If it's dry, I know I got grip. I know this thing hugs the road, it's great. When it's wet, I don't know how it handles. I know it doesn't like ice. It's a 60-mile-an-hour highway, and we're gonna try to merge doing 30. That's a bold strategy, Cotton. There's no cars coming. Bye. The power window switches are here, not on the door. It's so cool. I love it. The lock buttons are on the door though. I don't know. Don't ask questions. Important. I mean, there's definitely cars here. Shut up. Shut up. Oh, you. Oh, it stalled. Racing about driving a manual, if it, decides it wants to glitch and mess up because the pins on the EEPROM chip don't contact the ECU very well, you just smack it with your elbow. Gentle. You just smack it with your elbow, and then nobody's here. No, we got like 2 cars over here. Is that it? It looks like that's it. Oh, and a motorcycle.